Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang yung energies for February 16 to 28, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa lahat ng mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Okay, Scorpio, let's see energy update for you. Feb 16 to 28, 2025. Okay, best possible decision. Ayan, kung kayo may pinagdidesisyonan ngayon, don't worry dahil huwag kayong mag-alala kasi mapipili nyo pa rin kung ano yung makakabuti para sa inyo. Kailangan lang talaga rito na you have to tap into your instinct, to your intuition. Ano yung sinasabi ng intuition mo? 'Di ba? Na decision. Kasi minsan hindi siya logical, hindi siya practical, pero yun yung nasa instinct mo. So follow your instinct. O, 'di ba? Divinely guided kayo, Scorpio. You just have to ask for guidance through prayers, through your manifestation, affirmation. And then peace. Wow. This is peace of mind, kapayapaan ng isip. Yung iba sa inyo maaring kayo ay makikipag-ayos, makikipagbate sa isang tao na nagkaroon kayo ng challenge or conflict, or maaring merong person na makikipag-ayos sa inyo. Will make peace with you. Okay. And also, kung meron kayong major decision around this time, mas makakabuti na iwasan nyo muna na makinig sa mga payo ng iba. Find it within yourself. You pray. Pagdasal mo, nabigyan ka ng guidance. Kasi, whatever this is na magiging decision mo, yun yung magli-lead sa'yo sa sagot sa mga tanong mo, lalo na kung ikaw yung naguguluhan. Your overall energy, the Four of Cups, some of you are feeling parang may kulang, no? Parang feeling ninyo hindi na kayo fulfilled sa isang situation. This can be sa relationship mo, sa trabaho mo, sa business mo, sa career mo. Minsan kasi yan rin yung sign. Senyales rin yan na it's about time to try new things. Sumubo ka ng bago kasi nabubugnot ka na eh. Or parang nawawalan ka na ng interest sa sitwasyon na yan. Your challenge is the Empress. So this is a challenge for you na pagtuunan mo ng pansin yung sarili mo, i-improve mo yung sarili mo, hindi lang sa physical but also your mental, yung energy mo, mentally, emotionally, intellectually. Oo. Kumbaga, learn new things, okay? Maari kasing meron kang pinagdidesisyonan ngayon na gusto mong subukan na bago, na nandun yung interest mo, but hindi mo sure kung magiging successful ba yan. So, number one, andun na yung interest mo. So, kumbaga, ano na yan, nakakaangat ka na kasi interesado ka dun eh, 'di ba? Wala namang pipilit sa'yo dyan. But, kailangan rin, decided ka. Kasi, kapag half-half ka lang, half-hearted, 50-50 lang, hindi mo makukuha yung, yung fulfillment dyan, eventually. No? Baka biglang iwan mo lang din sa ere. So, you have to make sure na you really know what you want and you will go for it. Your opportunity is the Two of Pentacles and your blessing is the Two of Cups. Oh, this is partnership, working with others. Some of you, ang isang opportunity niyo is pagdadagdag ng bagong mapagkakakitaan. So, ito yung tipong kung hindi ka pa ganun kasigurado dito sa plano mo, wag ka munang umalis sa trabaho mo or wag mo munang iwan yung dati mong source of income. Subukan mong i-incorporate yung bago at kapag nakayanan mo na pagsabayin at nakita mo kung saan ka mas nagiging productive, doon ka na mag-focus, 'di ba? So some of you, ang blessing ninyo ay relationship, new connection. This can be partnership, working with others, na meron kayong parehong goal sa buhay. So meron ding agreement dito. Some of you, ang blessing ninyo kontrata, may agreement, merong collaboration with others. So yung money, career, finances. Uy, the world. You have the Justice card and the Seven of Cups. Actually, ang dami ngayon nag-open na opportunity for you, Scorpio, in terms of your career, your finances. Yung iba, international pa yung opportunity sa inyo. Ngayon, ito yung time na kailangan nyo talagang pag-isipan ng maigi kasi nakasalalay dito yung future ninyo. With the Justice card here, this is about a combination of your logic, your practicality, and also your intuition. So actually, at the end of the day, intuition mo talaga yung mag-guide sa'yo what is best for you. Perspective. So ayan, nagbabago na rin yung pananaw mo pagdating sa pera, pagdating sa pangarap mo. Kung dati medyo parang lax ka lang, no, yung tipong hindi ka masyadong nagsaset ng goals. So ngayon, meron ka nang gustong iset na goal o may sinet ka na goal kasi na-inspire ka sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Meron ditong independence. So iba sa inyo, you are going through a situation na gusto mong bumukod, gusto mong magkaroon ng sarili mong space, ng sarili mong desisyon para sa buhay mo, para sa career mo. Maaring merong person rin na nagtatry na isabotahe yung mga decision mo or yung actions mo. So pay attention sa mga taong hindi supportive sa'yo kasi baka talagang ayaw ka nilang supportahan sa gusto mo. So iwasan mo na lang sila. And then your love life and family, you have the Hierophant. So meron ditong okay, may ending. If you are in a marriage na medyo alanganin na talaga or nagsa-struggle na in the past few years, maaaring finally you will decide to end this relationship. Whether this is kasal or hindi, no? But this is a serious connection kasi kaya lang you feel like you are trapped or hindi mo masyadong na-explore yung sarili mo or yung opportunity sa'yo. Some of you are choosing money, career over a relationship. Na parang, okay, sige, wag na lang mag-relationship. Ganon. Magpo-focus kayo sa trabaho, sa career nyo, or sa pangarap nyo. Yun nga lang, kung may anak kayo, pwedeng ang mag-suffer dito yung inyong anak. Merong sumasabotahe. So, pwedeng you are dealing with someone na hindi supportive sa'yo, sa mga goals mo. So, parang feeling mo mag-isa ka lang. Hindi nag-express ng feeling sa'yo. Ang hirap pag nandun ka sa ganong klaseng relationship na mas okay pa na single ka na lang kaysa nasa relationship ka pero pakiramdam mo mag-isa ka lang, 'di ba? You have Mercury in the 10th house. Mercury in the 10th house. May communication, merong agreement, learning, pagdating sa career. So, yung iba may training. You have Aries in Virgo in the 6th house. And Aries in the 1st house. Okay, so yung iba sa inyo, Scorpio, maaring magkaroon dito ng conflict with someone in authority. Like yung boss mo, meron siyang mga bagay na hindi nagugustuhan sa performance mo or meron kang naging desisyon na hindi niya nagustuhan. Kaya kailangan open rin yung communication mo with your boss or someone na merong authority over you. Kailangan pag-usapan. You heal by releasing, not suppressing. What emotions do you need to heal? Ayan. So, you are also being true to yourself. Maging totoo ka sa sarili mo kung ano talaga yung dapat mong palayain na andyan pa rin, no? Dinadala mo pa rin. You are still burdening yourself from that situation na alam mo na it has to end. Yung iba, relationship to. Or pwede rin namang matagal na tong natapos pero para sa'yo, it's still there. Hindi ka pa rin nakaka-move on. So, you need to release that emotion para mas gumaan yung loob mo. And then, mag-a-attract ka ng bagong energy. This can be a new job, a new career, a new relationship, diba? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.